Hi guys, super quick before we do anything, we do have a course that's available. It is the course that we wrote for people wanting to buy property in Italy, move to Italy, everything you could possibly ask or want to know, we put in that course. So check it out, the link is down below. We purposely made it very affordable for you. Go buy the course, study it, write us with any questions. Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Before I do anything, please like this video and subscribe to our channel and follow me on Instagram at Chris Sobolev. So I wanted to go over a couple of things. Many things we've seen during our travels and our business and everything else, dealing with a lot of different types of people. Most of them are very, very good. However, we have run into some issues. And most recently, one where there was a person who set himself up as a sort of handyman kind of guy. And come to find out, not only were we ripped off for a very large amount of money, but other people were ripped off for even more than we were ripped off for. So, and this guy wasn't Italian. So I would be careful of anybody who's not, you know, a licensed contractor to do work for you. Or, you know, if you've got a handyman, make sure that he's known in the village, that people have used him for years and years and years, and that he's really trustworthy. There was a lot of red flags on this guy, and we obviously fell for it at one point too, because we lost a lot of money as well. So yeah, just a little heads up on that. Also, you know, when you're using handyman and stuff like that, make sure you don't do any unpermitted work. That can be an absolute nightmare. It can actually get you shut down. And in our village, there was a project that was shut down, maybe forever, because they were doing all kinds of abusive stuff. You just can't do that. And in our village, there was actually a project shut down because these guys were doing unpermitted work. It's not okay to do, and it's an absolute nightmare. And I have to say that in the case of the people that were doing the unpermitted work, they were planning to turn around and sell the property. And they probably wouldn't tell you that it was unpermitted. I just did a video on the certificate of habitability that goes over a lot of these problems that you might run into. Go watch that video, there's a link down below. And like I said, take our course, very important. And just be aware, a little buyer beware goes a long way anywhere when you're doing renovations, when you're doing handyman stuff, when you're doing anything. So hope that helps, guys. See you soon.